So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can place a direct withdrawal from your Bittoken account. So right here, we all know every 16th of every month your RP is being converted to your BTT. So right here, when you look at my RP right here, you can see that it is actually 0 RP. Now, because last night it was actually converted to the BTT. So when you come right here, you can see that I have a total balance of Bittoken that is about 1730.3 BTT on my account. KYC is completed. As you all know, KYC must be completed before proceeding in making earnings on this platform. Now, before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across the channel for the first time or you're hearing my voice for the first time, so what we do right on this platform is to take advantage of earning platforms online. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel as we proceed in this video, and also do well to turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Now, if you have any questions in the process of this video, feel free to drop them on the comment section below. All right, so with that being said, let's dive into today's tutorial. So right here, you can actually see that my RP is 0 and my RP has been converted automatically from this platform to my BTT. Now, to place a withdrawal on your account, all you just have to do is to come down to P2P. You can see P2P right here, but before that, you can see that this particular BTT written in yellow has actually been cleared because the conversion has been made. So you can see the total BTT I'll be receiving. This is just a breakdown of what you can see. Now, to place withdrawal on your account, what you're going to be doing right now is to come down to P2P, and later in this video I'm going to be showing you a secret method you can use to get more Bittoken on your account. That is if you stay to the end of this video. So right here, we are going over to click on P2P right here. Now you can see that my USDT balance is $9.4 right here. You can see that my Bittoken is BTT is actually 1730.3 BTT. Now, when you go ahead to click on place sell order, you can go through this method, but it's going to take much of your time and there will be delay in that. So what I would advise you to do is to come down to where you can see sell quote. So once you click on sell quote right here, you are going to be seeing the rates of BTT right on this platform. So right here, you can see that the rate of BTT for this first person is 0.012. So you can see that this is the rate of this. So depending on the one you want to go for. So let's say we actually want to sell want to actually go for the first one, but before that, make sure you've taken note of my balance, which is not up to 10 USDT, which I showed you earlier. So right here, you can see this person says he has 0.67 USD available for buying. So this is actually a small rate. So this person has about 47.72 USD available for buying. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is to go over to the one you want to sell. So when you go right here, let's say we are going for this second one that has enough Bittoken for sale. So we are going to click on sell right here. So under this interface, you can actually see that my total balance of Bittoken has actually reflected on my account. You can see that right here, buyers available USDT. So let me say we actually want to sell Bittoken of let's say 500. So the amount you'll be getting in USD will be shown below this. As you can see, total you receive is 5.50 USD. So what you're going to be doing right here is to click on sell BTT. So once you click on sell BTT, automatically you're selling it. So there's no button that'll be asking you to confirm. So what we are going to be doing right now is to come down right here and click on sell BTT. As you can see, processing. So it says action has been successful. So once you click on that, you can see that we've successfully sold that 500 BTT. So when you come down to your account right here, you can see that my USD balance has actually increased from 9.2 or thereabout to 14.9, closely $15 on my account. Now, to place withdrawal on your account, all you just have to do is to go back to your home right here. So you need to go back to your account. So let's go back to our account right here so I can show you some things. So right here, you can see that I have 14.9 USD on my account. Now, to place withdrawal directly to your preferred wallet, all you just have to do right here is to come down to withdraw right here. So this is the withdraw button where you can actually withdraw straight to your preferred wallet. So right here you can see the minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. So if you don't have 10 USD on your account, this page won't be displayed to you. So right here you can see I'm withdrawing a total amount of 14.9 USDT. So what I'm going to do is to enter my wallet address right here, and a code will be sent to me, and I'm going to proceed in placing withdrawal. But before that, you can see that BNB Smart Chain Network, please double check your wallet address before submitting. So what they actually need right here is the BNB Smart and Chain Network. So what you just need to do is to put in your wallet address right here and click on get code button to receive your code. Then you click on submit to place withdrawal on your account. So right now what I'm going to do is to paste my wallet address right here. So some of you might be asking, the BNB Smart Chain Network, it could be your Binance BEP20 wallet address, it could be your Bybit BEP20 wallet address. So I have actually inserted that. So what I'm going to do is to come down and click on get code. So right here, before that, you can see please double check your wallet address before submitting. So I'm going to click on get code right here. So a secret confirmation code has been sent to my Telegram. So I just need to confirm and proceed. So right now I've received the code and I'm going to insert it right here, which is the 934351. Okay. So this is the confirmation code. So what I'm going to do next is to come down and click on submit. As you can see right now, note 5% fee will be charged before payment. So go ahead to click on submit right here. You can see action was successful. Your withdrawal request has been submitted successful. So click on OK. So we are heading back to our account. Remember I said I'm going to show you how to get more Bittoken on your account. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Now when we go back to our wallet right here, we can actually find the total we have right here. So right now you can see that my BTT has actually reduced and my USD balance has actually been deducted. So I should be expecting my funds into my Bybit BEP20 wallet. Now for you staying up to this moment in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get more BTT on your account. Now what you're going to be doing now is to come down to the button you're seeing under the P2P. So click on that. So what I'm going to do is to come down right here, and I'm going to come down to this particular green button you are seeing right here. So when you click on running, you can actually see that I actually have one running for me. I can come right here and claim this. So you can see that. So that is an additional BTT I'm getting for myself. So I can come in next to always claim this. Now this is what you're going to be doing. For you coming for the first time to use this button, what you're going to be doing is to click this first green button right here. So once you've clicked on that, come right here and enter the amount of BTT you want to use. Okay, so right here you can see the balance of my BTT is actually 1232. So let's say we want to go with a particular amount of BTT. You are going to be imputing that right here. So let's say we want to go with 1,000 BTT. Let's say we want to go with 1,000 BTT. So you are going to come right here and select 1 month. Okay, so you can see that right now. So the next thing you want to do right now is to come down and click on submit. You can see that you can come right here and proceed with this. So just click on yes. You can see that successfully we have taken advantage of this particular option. So that is how to increase your BTT on your account. So when you come right here, you can see running. So you can see these two are actually running for you. What you just have to do is to always come in to claim this, and it's going to be accumulating for yourself. So that is how you can increase your BTT on your account and get more advantage while on this platform. So that is all you can get right in this video. If you have any question regarding all what I explained, feel free to drop them on the comment section below. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is always advisable you join my social media platform, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I want giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.